Mizoramni samung sitra tangnai dokni yago ete Khlaijakmani tourism department construction site nainani bagai fashlo Jampui Hachugo thangu shogoika hasini tourism Mantri Sushanta Chowdhury abuni yagolo Eden tourist lodge ni conference hall logo Khlaijaka kashanang kongmani koksa panda
Laitla 28 May Hachugo Jampui hasangni Tripura tourism department ni kaisa construction site bom pekhak rekha kisasak samung sitra khlainero au by tourism department ni kaisa building ketani wall te RCC pillar bai thangmani koktoma party munote beleno kemang mau Khlaika haste hapangtai amsani tongko songlukoro tamuni bagai party kha abo hai berem ni party mong abunote chaito nai tumo khorja police eta Khlaijakmani tourism department ni construction site bere nainani bagai Fasalo Jampui Hachugo thangai soika hasini tourism Mantri Sushanta Chowdhury abun yaglo Eden tourist lodge ni conference hall nogo Khlaijaka kaisa rangkumani kokcha panda manjaka amsani MLA hangkoni DM SP te tourism beteni secretary te hapani kuchu ojomaro samushitra khlaine rogro sinimani yaglo kerongni lama tei kerak sakthar mungna harjakmani dagi mungrekha Mantri Sushanta Chowdhury Bureau report Chini Khorang